I'm Mo, and today we're going to be making Mo's special collard greens pasta. Collard greens is actually a vegetable that's in the kale family that originates in a lot of different regions, even in Greece. But in my particular culture, I'm African American, it is a staple southern vegetable.
Wow.
And it's very, very, very popular for New Year's Eve because it's supposed to bring in wealth. And it's green, so I guess that makes sense because money's green. Let me show you how to make this collard green pasta. In order to make it, you're going to need the following ingredients. So of course you're going to need the star of the dish, collard greens. And here we have it. It's already cut, but I'm also going to show you how to cut them because not everyone knows how to cut collard greens. And then we have noodles. My noodles of choice is sweet potato based noodles. We're going to use turkey. This is smoked turkey, so it can give a savory, smoky feeling to the collard green. Then I add corn. Seasoning, we have salt, pepper, parsley, crushed red peppers, garlic, sugar, baking soda, paprika, onion, vinegar, and olive oil. So I'm going to show you how to cut collard greens. And this is what collard greens look like. It's like a big leaf, right? So we want to first cut off the stems. So we're going to cut the stems off. See, it's very easy. You can even do it with your hands if you want. We don't want too much of the stems. Right? So now what you do is I'm gonna put a few bundles together right on top of each other and you roll it and then you cut it in small pieces. And we want to come pretty small so that it just cooks down faster. Who wants to wait too long for such a yummy meal? So this is how the raw collard greens look before they're cooked down. Look, it looks like ripped money. So I guess the story, the southern folktale of New Year's Eve good luck and eating collard greens, now it all makes sense because it has a very close look to ripped money. So I'm going to add olive oil to the hot pan. We're going to allow the oil to heat so that we can then add the ingredients to saute the collard greens. So I'm going to start to add the ingredients. I like to add the onions first. So now that onion is in, we're going to add smoked turkey. Adding smoked turkey. I like to use turkey in my collard greens because I love the savory feeling and the smoky taste that it gives the collard greens, but it's a personal preference. Some people like to use chicken stock. People that are vegetarian or vegan may prefer to use a vegetable stock. So it's all preference. Now I'm going to add some of the seasonings. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then the other seasoning I like to put in after the collard greens are in. So just a little bit of salt and pepper, not a lot. Now I'm going to add the collard greens. Remember how I told you how to cut the collard greens? Now, it seems like a lot, but they really shrink down to very little. So, you have to make a bunch of them. So now I'm going to add the rest of the seasonings. So we're going to add the parsley. Lots of crushed peppers. fresh garlic. This is about, 2 or 3 cloves. Then we're gonna add some paprika. And this is just to give it a little bit of coloring. Paprika really has no taste whatsoever. Collard greens has a natural bitter taste, so in order to combat that bitter taste, we add a little bit of baking soda, and then we add vinegar. And funny enough, it almost looks like a science experiment because it bubbles a bit when you put vinegar on top of baking soda. And then to balance the baking soda vinegar, I use sugar because you want the savory to also have a sweetness to it. So this is about a tablespoon of sugar, maybe 2 tablespoons. Okay. So then it's gonna cook down. So it's cooking down, and you can already see that the collard greens are somewhat shrinking. They're not taking over the pan as much as they get soaked in with the olive oil and the vinegar. And the more they cook, the more they'll shrink and soak in. And that's what gives it that sweet and savory taste. And spicy too, because I put my crushed peppers in there. I love my spice. Wow, so we've cooked it down for about 10 minutes, and look at it.
Yeah.
It has definitely reduced. The colors have changed. And now we're gonna add the corn. And so I'm gonna add the corn. You can use fresh corn. This is frozen sweet corn. And I love the fact that it adds another color to it. And it matches my outfit. This is just like a half a cup. I don't want to overpower the dish with corn because the star of the dish is collard greens. So now I'm going to add the pasta, and this is sweet potato paste. It's called red lentil pasta. So to prepare the pasta for this dish, I just boiled it in salt water for 3 minutes. So now I'm going to add the pasta. So now this dish officially has multiple colors. You have the sweet potato, which gives off like a reddish color, and then you have the green in the collard greens and the yellow in the corn. I find that the more colorful a dish is, the more tasty it is. So hopefully, if you try this dish, you'll feel the same way. Okay, so now it's done. So here it is, Mo's collard greens pasta. So let's see how it tastes.
Yeah.
This is really scrumptious. I'm gonna take one bite. If you like this recipe, click the I like button. If you made this recipe, click I made it and show your own version of Mo's collard green pasta. I can't wait to see it. If you like me, follow me on khal.com, KHAL.com. Don't forget, share this video with your friends and family. Until the next time, later.